What's up, everybody? Ooh, ooh. Welcome back to another video. So it's about that time where I'm going to be creating a inspired celebrity makeup look. Now, I've never done this on my channel as far as I can remember, but I got really excited when I saw Ariana Grande featuring Lady Gaga Rain on Me music video, and I really loved this makeup look of Ariana Grande, which I'm gonna put up here so you guys can see. So that is the look that I'm going to be creating. I hope you guys are ready. I'm a bit nervous, but let's just get into it. Let us prime the face. I'm going to be using my baby skin primer from Maybelline. I haven't used this in a while actually, so I'm just gonna put it like this and like this and like this and like this and like this. For foundation, I'm going to use my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. So I really want a nice flawless base. Yabona nje onba it's a filter, but it's not, it's a makeups. So I'm gonna use my sponge. Yabona. So Ariana's look never look very heavy or cakey, so that's what I'm also just trying to do with this look. Ariana's a very simple. For concealer, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define, and this is C12. So ngizathi nje a swipe, yabona, swipe, and then the chin. So to set that, I'm going to use my Maybelline Face Studio Setting Powder, so I don't look ghosty. So I'm also just setting my eye because I have already concealed. So we are prepping for our eye look. So everything is just matte and smooth and doesn't move around. So with Ariana's eye look, I noticed that she has a bit of brown eyeshadow, so I'm going to do that. So just to smoke out the outer corner, so I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Carly Bible palette. Excuse the dirt, wow, not ladylike, but okay. I'm gonna take this brown here and then just this fluffy brush, tap into that and just smoke it out. Like nothing fancy about. Just for a bit of color, and it's nothing defined or anything. It's very subtle. So as you can see, it's very subtle, nothing major. So I'm going to create that small wing that she has with my Rimmel Scandal Eyes. So the precision of this is so nice. It's a very nice eyeliner, especially if you're someone who's not comfortable with a wing like I am not. So it helps. So I'm gonna keep quiet because I can't talk and do the eyeliner at the same time. Wow, that was very dramatic. Wow, this didn't turn out right. Now I have to go on the other side. So, hey, the wing didn't turn out as small as I wanted to, because Ariana's wasn't as defined as this, but it's not too bad. I'm gonna take my black eyeliner and just tighten it underneath the eye. Okay, so now for the part that like defines just the whole look, Jay. It's that white eye. So I'm taking this Holy Grail flash case from Switch Beauty. So it's these cream colors. Whoo! Inhliziyo yami ithi hi, 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 hi. Yo, Dinovan. I don't have a very tiny brush that will make it very defined, so I'm gonna try use this. I don't know if it's gonna work, people, but let's see. I also have this. It has like this pointy part. Maybe let's try that first and see how that works out. So maybe let me just start underneath the wing and go under there, then can bring it back this way. In nerves, dinner nerves. Okay. Ooh, it's already too thick. Oh damn. Okay, no, let's start here. So it's very close to the nose. So something like that. I don't know. Yo, and here's the little kitty. So it's fun because anyways it's very thick at the top. This looks like on this. I feel like mine is very thick. Wow. Yo, hi Sana, yo lokele. Let's take this tiny one. Hopefully it looks better. So you know what? I'm just gonna clean that up and make it smaller because I don't have anything else to assist me in a smaller tool, so this will just have to do. I don't know. I think I need to clean it up a bit more. It's not looking very cute. Okay, so I finally managed to clean it up with some foundation. It took quite a while because I felt like it was just a bit too thick, but yeah, not too bad, not too shabby. For lashes, I'm going to apply these pinky goat lashes in the style Reem. Who knows? Who knows? Now that my lashes are on, I'm going to take my Essence Lash Princess mascara. Haven't used these in a while, but Essence has pretty good mascaras. For blush, we're using the Matte Touch blush from Essence. This is very pigmented, so you don't want to put a lot. So I'm not gonna put a lot because Ariana Grande did not have a lot of blush on, but there seem to be a bit of color or contour a little bit, because it does look like there's a bit of a lift in the cheek area. But yeah, that's about it. To contour, I'm just gonna take that brown shade that I used in the eyes and just like dab a little bit. Not too much. Yo guys, I'm so over the hairstyle shit. Next weekend. Honestly, I'm not sure about the highlighter. It didn't look like she had highlighter, but I'm just gonna put a little bit. So I'm taking my Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals. So it's just not so bland, because I just feel like my face always just needs a bit of highlighter in life. Just brightens up your day, you know? No? Is it just me? But I wanna leave it cool. Just a tiny bit. Hands off the highlighter. Hands off. So for lips, I just took these 3 products because she has a very sheer pinkish nudish kind of look. So we're just gonna work with this and let's see where that takes us. But and we'll just make it a liner, so just on the outside of the lips. Then we're gonna take this NYX lingerie lipstick and put that in the middle. Then I'm going to take my Revlon High Shine Vinyl Lip Polish. And then to top it off, I'm gonna get some gloss. Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am not mad. I am not mad at this look. It feels like it looks a bit blue underneath because the white mixed with the black. So I think kwenzeka some mixing of colors. But other than that, honestly, it's not too shabby, and actually it wasn't that difficult, honestly. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to recreate like more celebrity looks. I think that's pretty cool, so I can do that. And yeah, before I close out the video, our subscriber for the week goes to Usivu Kunene Enkosi Ndebulela. Thank you so much. If you guys would like to do hit the red button that says subscribe. Also, if you'd like to leave me a comment, that would be great. And please like this video, share it with your friends. It really helps my channel. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the content I am putting out so far. Let me know what else you would like to see. May your day be ever flawless as your makeup.